someone's speaking direct at me, I don't grasp it straight away.
Okay.
It's embarrassing to keep saying to people, sorry.
Yeah, I can imagine it can be quite frustrating for both people. So
Yeah.
what I'm going to do, just look straight ahead as you are, and I'm just going to position your head slightly, just that way. Brilliant. So I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to use a little, what we call a Jobson Horne. It's a little ear scoop. See if the wax comes out. If not, I'll use some suction. Does that feel okay?
Yeah.
So we're just gently teasing it off the ear canal wall, and it's coming out nice and easily. And obviously, because you're wearing hearing aids, it kind of sometimes forces the wax further in. Wax tries to come out naturally from your ear, it migrates. But if you wear hearing aids or use cotton buds or wear earbuds, it compacts the wax further in your ear. So you've just got a bit of hair matted to the wax, and it's stuck to the posterior canal, which is the back part of your ear canal, but it's still coming out. So that's good. It's not ticklish for you? Just got a bit of stubborn wax there. Does that feel okay? I'm putting a bit of pressure on there.
Yeah. Only the doctors don't do it now.
Yeah, so a lot of doctors now don't. Well, it's not syringing anymore. They call it irrigation, which this concept's very similar. Trying to flush it out with water, but with the water, it can cause ear infection because any water in the ear is not good. Bacteria love it. It can force the wax further in if it's not done properly, and if there's too much pressure applied, it can actually perforate the eardrum. So a lot of doctors don't do it for that reason. Just keeping me busy, of course. Have you always had wax issues?
No, not always. But when I started off having trouble with my ears, when I realised that I wasn't hearing it, I'm going to the doctor. I've had them supposed to, with alcohol cleaning.
Yeah.
Twice.
Oh, so you've only had it done twice. I think now because you're wearing a hearing aid though, you're going to be more prone to it. Have you just got one hearing aid, is it?
Yeah, but they're on about, they did ask me when I first went about having two, and I said, well, I don't feel as though I require two at the moment.
Yeah.
But as I say, it's got worse.
So I'm just going to get this last bit out. It's hidden behind your ear canal entrance. So I'm just rotating the camera to get the view, but a lot of the time you wouldn't see this wax because it's hidden, it's outside. Brilliant, so that's all done. I'll just take a nice video for you and I can show it back afterwards. Yeah, so that's nice and healthy. Your eardrum might be slightly retracted. We'll do another test in a moment. You could have a bit of Eustachian Tube Dysfunction. I'll explain. That's just slightly retracted. I know your left ear is. I had a look before. And that's definitely retracted. Fantastic. So what we'll do, I'll stand you up. We'll turn you around and we'll do the other side. There we are. Is that nice and comfortable for you?
Yeah.
That's good. The wax is a bit more softer here.
I went to Boots Chemist.
Oh, okay.
On Postport, and it was a gentleman, the doctor or pharmacist that recommended you.
Oh, that's good. Let's just stay very still for this bit because it is a bit soft on the outside, but yeah, it can make you cough. It's a bit of a gag reflex.
Yeah. And I'm blind in that side.
Oh god. So bad ears and a bad eye on this side. So
yeah.
help you with your ears, but not your eye, unfortunately. So again, it's going to stay nice and still because it is a bit more stubborn. you want a glass of water or anything, let me know. We're nearly done.
Why that side? And yeah, that side didn't bother me.
With this side, the wax is a bit more stubborn against the ear canal wall, and it's a bit more matted with the hair. So when I'm removing the wax, it's stimulating some of the nerves in your ear and the hairs also, which can make you cough. We often take ear impressions for hearing aids, and when we put the impression material in the ear, it can make people cough as well. So it's just a natural reflex. But yeah, the reason for this side is just the wax a bit more stickier. So we're putting a bit more force to remove it. Nearly all out. It's almost like glue sticks. Just around the back of the ear so it's hiding from me. There we are, it's come out in one large piece. I'll just show you that. Can't believe what comes out your ear sometimes. Nearly done. This ear is a bit more sensitive for you, coughing a bit more. So your left eardrum's is retracted. You may have what we call Eustachian Tube Dysfunction. So I'm just going to test for that now, okay? But how do you feel otherwise?
I'm fine.
Fantastic. It wasn't painful at all?
No.
Brilliant.
No.
Excellent.